Hello everyone. So for this exercise, they wanted to determine the horizontal and vertical component of reaction at pin A and reaction at beam C. And this is our graph. So first let's draw all the members. Now here I draw in three members: AC, CB, and CD. For the sole reason being, in PermaLearn, if you draw AB and CD, it won't connect the joint automatically. So you have to draw it in three components, even though there's only two members. So first let's go ahead and draw the first member, AB, 1.5 and 1.5, already did that. And then we can draw CB, yes. After that, CD is 1.5 up and 1.5 to the right, yes. After that, we can add our support. So here we have two supports. They're both pins, so the angle doesn't matter. We can just put as long as it's at that point. So A, and then we have at 0, 0, and then we have at 0, 1.5, also a pin. After that, we can go ahead and turn our hinge. So at C is a hinge, but we only want the hinge is only at the member that is with C and D. So only member 3 here are hinges, the other are not hinged, so be careful of that. Then we can go ahead and add our external force. So we have a -4 vertical force at 1.5 and 3, so we can go ahead and do that. And then we can get our answer. So they're asking for the reaction, so we just click on the reaction and we should be getting our answer. So the reaction here is at pin A and reaction on the beam at C. So first we can go look at the reaction at member C. So we have 8 kilonewton and another 8 kilonewton, and at B we have -4 kilonewton and -8 kilonewton. Okay, and then at our hinge we can go and look at the normal force because the reaction on the beam at C, right? So we can just click on normal force. Let's go ahead and do that. And at member C, it's in -11.3 kilonewton. Yes, and so that's about it. That's all the answer. Thank you so much for watching, guys.